What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we will be doing monster truck destruction, and we will be doing freestyle today in this small arena, starting with this is the big jump. Time to back up and wait until we can stop it. Now he's turning around and going to the big center, and boom, he hits it. Let's see how it goes. Always heading towards the big jump. He didn't quite get enough of it, but he went through the and now he went through off the big jump again and hit the sign into the crowd. Hopefully everyone is okay. He tried to knock the bicycle and knock it back up. Flips it. Will he save it? Yes, he does. Because I don't know save it. It's just strong. Oh, he goes for the big metal jump. Lands on the Will he save it? Oh, he saved one? Yes, he saves it. Now he's going for a I didn't quite get the ball. I'm just slamming it away. Oh, big center jump. Not really too good. 70 seconds left on the clock. I tried to look at it being now he hits the center jump and now he's done. Now we're going into with bad habit. Oh, he's going backwards at the center jump. That's unusual. Oh, man. Moving right on to it. There might be a lot of repetition in this video because he tried to turn the bicycle off that jump too. Oh, and he completes it. Oh, and almost thinking of stopping. Let's see what he does now. Oh, he crushed that jump. He's going down the next one, but is he going for a wheel into the back of it? Or he just vertical instead? Now he's going back into the center jump. Volleyball, but he doesn't go for it. Oh, and he turns over. Will he save it? Will he save it? He might need to punch him in the reverse for this one. And he does. Oh, he gets it over. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, hard jump. But yeah, he completes the backflip and goes into a little bit of a moonlight. Now it's monster control. The end of it. Now it's time for Boogie Van. He goes for the cable in the back, with the back tire, and now he goes over the center jump. doing? Backflip off of the center? What? I call that a successful backflip attempt. Oh, that is a recorder. Whatever. Oh, and he flips it over right there. Oh, is he gonna save it? Yes! Almost a little bit too much though. Over the center jump. Oh, and he goes in back into the arena. I thought he was going to go through that camp. Oh no, whoa. He's throwing her into some cyclones. Now we went through that jammer. Oh, now he's going through the center jump again. This event is sponsored by Traxxas. Oh, backflip. Nice backflip attempt. Oh, no. He's going for the center jump with like cross thread. Now it's time for aftershock. Ready? Here we go. Oh, and he lands on camper too. Oh, what was that move right there? Landed on the camper and reversed it. What the heck? He almost flips her over right there again. He's going over the car. He's going over the jammer. Oh, he hits the backflip ramp with his back tire. Barely hits the crush cars. Now it looks like he's throwing her into a cyclone again. Okay, he goes, he's slapping it. Now he's going, oh my goodness. Front flip. Oh, he reset the truck. Now he went over the center jump and he almost flipped it. I think he's staying safe from that one. Now he's going over the crush cars and the jammer again. And now jump again. Let's go. Oh, and he almost went into the fans. Oh, we have to hit the sign again. Now it's time for identity theft. He goes over and hits both camper 1 and camper 2. Now he's going over the center jump. Oh, but he breaks. He barely hits it. Okay, now he's going for the backflip ramp. Oh, didn't quite get to stop left that one that he wanted. Now he's going over the center jump again. Oh, he's cruising. He's going for another backflip. Oh, this time it wasn't as successful as the last one. Look at how beat up his front end is. This one looks like way bigger. Oh, he almost flips her over. Oh, and he's going for another backflip. That's 3. His front end is even more beat up than what we saw the first time. Oh, off the center jump. Oh, and he's going for the crush. No, he did not go for the crush, guys. Oh, and he's in the crowd. I'm surprised he didn't shut him off. That's crazy. Oh, and he goes over. Oh, is he going to be able to save it? Yes, he does. How did he not shut this thing off? He's going. Oh, and he's going over the... No, he's not. He's hitting another backflip. That's 4 backflips so far this run. Oh, now it's time for payback. Payback goes straight for the backflip. Oh, but he barely gets that one. Now he's going over the crush cars. And almost flips it. Now he's going over the center ramp. No one's getting really good air out of that one today yet. Oh, and he goes for the backflip and puts it into a slap wheel. Puts it down. Now he's gunning it across the entire... What is he doing? He's going front flip into a wheelie. What? How did he do that? That's probably the coolest thing I've seen all night. I'm voting this guy to win so far. Oh my gosh, way there. Oh, he almost gets that next backflip. Will he save it? Will he save it? Oh, he's sidewalling in. Yes, he gets it over. Oh, almost flipped it back over with his momentum. Oh, jump. He's on a jump and he barely gets one there. Oh, and he front flips it again. shut him off. Now it's time for Radical guy. I forgot the name of this truck because it's kind of blurry outside. So now he is going to, he almost flips it over into the backstage of the arena. Oh, he's going for a backflip. Backflip almost into the stoppie. Oh, I thought he was going to go, oh my goodness. Is he going to do what I think he's going to do? He's copying payback. He's copying the guy that just went before this. That's crazy. Why would he do that? I think that might get him points deducted from him, but who knows? Oh, and he went for that center jump, and he's going for the middle jump. The middle jump. He crushes both campers, and he does the side wheelie off the back ram center jump. Oh, he's in the backstage area again. This guy's not good at staying in the front where he's supposed to be. I love the pink bead marks on this truck with the yellow rims. He's got 11 seconds left. Oh, he almost gets in this one. Oh, he goes up the metal jump and saves it somehow. By some miracle. Bad habit. Here we go. Oh, backflip into the stoppie, into the moonwalk. That might get him a lot of points for that one. Now he's going for the center jump and he hits it, and now he's going for the backflip. Oh, I think he tried to get another stoppie off the back, but he didn't quite get that stoppie. Oh, he's stopping super hard off that main jump over there. He went over the crush cars, over the jammer, and his sidewalls there, but somehow gets it off the stands and saves it. Now he's going for the center ramp again. Oh, nice. He stopped it just in time. He's not getting into the backstage part of the arena. Oh, he flips it over again over the metal jump. That one kind of hurt a little bit. Oh, and the stoppie again. This might be the best run of the night so far. And the last run of the night. Oh, here we go. Oh, he's in the backstage arena. Oh, and he almost hits. Oh, he hits the jammer and flips over again. He does a cartwheel save. That might win him the entire event. Oh, and he's going over the middle jump again. A middle jump. Oh, and he gets shut off. And that is it for tonight. That is it for the show tonight. Thank you for watching, and put the person who you think won in the comments below. Deuces.